Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm performing service or multiple services on this 2010 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive. This beauty has a 205,000 miles on odometer and it's a new customer. And he was lately worried about his transmission. He was thinking about it and thinking himself, I don't think I remember when I serviced it, maybe never. And it has 205,000 miles, I should do something with it. So he came here and I took a sample of the fluid. And man, that was absolutely disgusting. So, we talked about that. He asked me, can you please remove the filter? Drop the pan, remove the filter and replace the fluid. I'm afraid of flashes. I would rather go this way. I said, yeah, I will do whatever you want. And if I found the time, I will film at least some of it for my subscribers. I will try to show you the fluid. It was absolutely black, even if the smallest amount, even that small sample, which should be still transparent, was very, very bad. So I believe the tranny number, it's A760H. That means it's on 2010 Tundra and it's a 6-speed automatic transmission with the overdrive. I'm showing you around and I have basically encouraging message. Look at this. Number one, very easy to drop the pan because in comparison with the other ones, it wasn't glued by that red gasket maker, which you have to be carefully removing without damaging the mating surfaces. It's a nightmare. It actually has hardened rubber gasket. The new set has a nice new rubbery gasket. Now the details. That was the drain port. Here is the overflow for adjusting the level, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 magnets. I'm not surprised that you are not surprised. There's a bunch of shavings on them, right? So this needs to be cleaned. This will be all wiped absolutely clean and the magnets will be put back in the position after they are absolutely clean. I don't have time to jumping around with this camcorder to showing you all of that. It's a common sense and I think this is completely serviceable for everybody at home. If you buy the parts, there's a bunch of options. So basically this is 20-bolt pan when you are ordering for this vehicle. Oh, here are those babies, right? So very easy to drop down once again because of that rubber gasket and it wasn't glued on. Sometimes you don't know what you are going or heading into, but this one it's easy. Obviously this tranny will not have only this fluid, which I'm guesstimating I'm getting out 4 something quarts. That whole fill, including torque converter, it's 11 quarts. So if you do this, I will recommend to replace the strainer. Once again, these strainers or filters, I think Toyota says 180,000 miles. It's the first when they recommend it, but you can do it sooner, obviously, why not? It's held by the 4 bolts, you see them perfectly, right? Absolutely easy. These kits aftermarket sell for like 40 bucks, so it's completely affordable for anybody. You can drop the pan, clean it, get rid of that mud which is sitting on the bottom, clean the magnets, refill it. If you catch the fluid, you actually, even if you don't have a test stream to measure the level using the temperature and overflow, you can just put back whatever you got out and do that. This is too late, obviously. What we see here, that was absolutely neglected. This is a nightmare. This owner is already afraid that he might create the problem. There will be, actually, it's too late. The new fluid and old fluid, it could be a problem, but that's what he did. And he decided to go this way. He's one of those believers that the flushes are not good, so I'm serving him this way, and it's his baby. I have to respect it. So I want to show you really quickly around. I need to continue. I don't have a time to film the whole procedure, but that's a bunch of hints, definitely, how easy this tranny is. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I will have way more info coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.